let's take a look at what's happening in Maharashtra. Well, Maharashtra's new budget promises a massive boost to the state's economy, including financial aid for women, free LPG cylinders, and tax cuts on fuel that are projected to cost 90,000 crores annually. Now, the key measures that have been announced include increasing health insurance coverage, waiving electricity dues for farmers, and launching a 15,000 crore solar power project. My colleague Anurag Shah now joining in with more details on what the Maharashtra government has in store for Maharashtrians as far as the latest budget announcements are concerned. Anurag, take it over and tell us what else is on the agenda, on the annual as far as the state's economy and the state's budget is concerned.
As government is going into election later this year, and before that in a budget, government of Maharashtra has announced a couple of soaps for women, for farmers, for poor people. The most important one is announcement of Mukhyamantri Ladki Behna scheme, which will give financial assistance of 1,500 rupees per month to around 1 crore women of the state. So that will cost yearly 45,000 crore to state exchequer. Other than that, Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana also been announced in budget, which will give 3 free LPG gas cylinders to around 52 lakh families is announced. Another universal health insurance coverage been announced in the budget, which will increase the insurance coverage from 1.5 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees to every family of Maharashtra. So which will include more than 1900 hospitals across the state. So previously it was limited to the age income group only, but now it has been announced that all families of Maharashtra will be covered under the health insurance scheme of Maharashtra. Other than that, 8.5 lakh solar pumps will be installed across the state to give free electricity to farmers. Electricity fee waiver also been announced for farmers using electric pumps below 750 horsepower. These are the main announcement announced in state budget, which will cost overall additional 90,000 crore rupees on the state exchequer. On the petrol and diesel front, the municipal corporation area of Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane will see the reduction in petrol and diesel rates. The petrol rates will be reduced by 65 paisa and diesel rates will be reduced by 2 rupees and 7 paisa because the tax on petrol and diesel has been reduced. So before the election, we have seen the couple of major announcements done by state government in the state budget.